Hi all, how's everyone doing? This is good, right? Okay, so this is your research activity instructions and expectations. So let's start off talking about it. For your research activity, you will be researching about a topic in politics and education. Let me make this more clear. For this research activity, you will be looking at an article that talks about either a law, legislation, bill, policy, about something that has impacted education in United States. It cannot be a general topic like politics in education. If it is a general one, you're going to lose all the points. It needs to be a law, legislature, bill, or policy. And this is not a written paper, it's a video assignment. I am doing this for the first time using Flipgrid, and I'm excited to see the results. You all know that you did not have a midterm in this class, so this is going to count towards your midterm also. And hence my attempt to provide more personalized instruction and personalized help during an online class. So let's look at each of these. You're going to upload a recording, which will be a video recording on these 4 topics about whatever you read. Now, if you want to send me the article to make sure that this is okay, I will be more than happy to just scan the article and send you back. Yes, go ahead. So you summarize the article. What is your reaction and what did you learn? How does the article influence you or your career? It could be personal, it could be professional, it could be related to your career or the teaching career. It does not have to relate to teaching only. And how does it relate to schools, student, school, and society? That means how does it relate to the book? You can make connection anywhere in the book. The article should be published within the last 2 years. Do not use an editorial. If in doubt, send me the link and I can let you know. Once again, on a law, legislature, bill, or policy that affects education system. Cannot be general. Your video recording is going to be 3 to 5 minutes. If you go up to 6 minutes, that's okay. But more than that is a little bit too much, covering all of these. This assignment is for 50 points. Summarize the article. What is it about? 5 points. I've given you some hints. What is your reaction? What did you learn? Remember to answer both the parts. How does the article or event influence you or your career? This could be personal or professional. And then how does it relate to the book? This is what it is. There's 15 points kept for audibility, clarity, summarization, all those things. And if you are worried about how you're going to record or how are you going to upload, please don't be. I'm going to post this video and the Flipgrid instructions in detail on D2L. And I am available answering any questions when needed. This assignment is due on November the 19th. And so you guys have some extra time on it and plenty of time, more than about 2 weeks. But if you have any questions, I'll be more than happy to answer and look into this folder for instructions. Thank you. Look forward to hearing all about this.